The Denver Gambler 500 is off to an amazing start.
Look at that chef hands.
Spent all week outfitting the Miata only to have it blow up on its last test drive. Gavin's free Fiero quit running last night, and Andrew is currently replacing his transmission about an hour before we're supposed to leave. We've elected to take the Cayenne despite having 0 spare tires, 0 skid plates, and it's randomly started dying whenever it feels like it. So the gamble is real.
Should look like this, and it looks like that. So we got a new arm, but can't get the old piece off.
Classic Denver Gambler.
Brand new with a tag on it that my brother gave me. Didn't even look in it before I left the house. I get here, set up my camp, and there's a bunch of life vests in there. I don't even have a cot to sleep on.
It's a 2001 Chevy 2500 Silverado. I got this out of a tow yard for like $300 because someone rolled it over.
It'd do good, I think. I think it's pretty capable.
The truck was really nice when I sold it. I sold it for like $8 grand, and I bought it back for $300.
That's hilarious.
It's like a real $500 car, you know?
1300 cc's of Fury and a turbo.
All right, the plan for today, we got into some mountains, 20 more minutes of driving, and then we're on dirt the rest of the day. So it's gonna be pretty fun. Should be a lot of water crossings and some cool, challenging stuff for cars. Should be easy for a Cayenne to do. Other than that, we're just gonna have fun today, man. We are on 700 today. Over and out. Come on, back.
Oh, come on, that back.
Kardashians.
What do you think so far? Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm sad we don't have the Miata. That looks fun.
First water crossing, we're rolling. Denver Gambler.
Anyone got a little air compressor on board? Come on back. John Colker.
So we've driven a total of 5 minutes and we have our first casualty. It sounds like there's a flat tire up here. Probably less than a mile traveled. Shocker, it's the BMW. This is gambling. This is what it's all about. Drive 5 minutes, somebody breaks, and then hopefully we'll drive another 5 minutes.
Cool.
Last night when I hit the rock and all that stuff,
Made a thing?
and it probably put stuff like in the bead.
Good idea.
Wouldn't be a gambler without an egg in the radiator.
Look at that chef hands. Oh, you got the shell in there. It's not gonna work now. Oh, look at that. That was cool. That was smooth. This guy knows how to do stuff.
Asthma.
It was Vismer. That was visual, not audio.
Oh, I didn't know what it was.
Smells like shit. Yeah, right?
My radiator cracked like immediately last year, and then the egg lasted the whole time.
Tried the
We
Jamie
have
well
our
first
egg
and
in
that
our
didn't work.
Right,
And then
yeah.
we egged it and it did work.
He must rally race.
Hulk smash.
Excellent repair. Hey, this isn't over easy. Sorry, I'm all scrambled.
We are on the real trail now. Got the Cayenne aired down to 20 PSI. Hopefully that's low enough. She's doing great so far though. Couldn't ask for anything better. We got AC, we got doggos.
All right, let's get his vehicles in there.
Just the way it goes. Go a mile, somebody breaks down, everybody stops, fix it, drive another mile, break down again.
Might have hot rod a little too much.
And maybe the timing change.
Oh no.
There's your problem.
How far off pavement are we? Maybe 5 miles?
Now drop it!
Nice Jeep.
That was a little intense.
Yeah.
Yeah, I appreciate the guidance. That might have been one of the more intense sections I've done in the Cayenne.
Your ass was like up and then like tweet, tweet, tweet.
Whoa! Almost fell out. I'm good.
We scraped a... Whoa, careful. We scraped a little, but we made it. That's rough. I can't see anything. You have no sight. It's not happy. We got to this parking lot thinking you could just leave it here, but it's day use only, so we got to find somewhere else, and now it doesn't want to move.
Big rescue. Watch out for the little dog.
Plan on leaving this here or?
Just for tonight, we talked to the people inside. Yeah.
One of my favorite things is just the looks that people give us. We have the most diverse off-roading group of all time. We're making it.
All right, 5-minute warning.
Ready to make like grass and smoke that ass.
Make like a baby and head out.
Head out like a boner in sweatpants.
Doesn't look so bad looking at it, but watching him do it, there's no way. Yeah.
That's a no for me.
Oh, what happened?
Mud hole.
Oh, the little Miata that could. I miss mine. I wish I had it here. Nothing better than a car you don't care anything about.
Because we just had no momentum. We couldn't get up the fucking hill. I stopped.
Gear that thing
Like I
down.
was all the way in, and she just didn't have enough. She was like, I'm done.
What do you got here?
Dude, trail corn dogs, they're my favorite.
Truck is so broken. We lost the motor mount. The whole engine's fucking popping up like this.
Cool though, you could diagnose them while you're cruising.
That's the top of Tin Cup right
Well,
there.
why the hell did we stop?
Apparently, Drew's vagina was hungry.
Well, the BBC's here now.
Oh.
Am I flexing at all?
No, you missed the wrong.
Yeah, 12,000 feet. We made it. Tin Cup Pass. Cayenne's still kicking at 12,000 feet. I'm proud of this little thing. Bandito, out of my seat. We're dragging something. Just a little, whatever this thing is. We got it. I don't know what this plastic piece was protecting, but it's not protected anymore. Throw it in the back. We're good to go. Apparently the trail just goes through this lake right here. I don't know. I can kind of see the trail on the other side. I guess we just got to go for it. We're way behind. Holy moly. That's not nothing. That was the deepest we've been in the Cayenne. It didn't start deep, but it definitely got at least a foot. This car probably is less than a foot off the ground. That gets your heart pounding. What do you think? Were you scared?
Yeah, I didn't like that.
We did it. What was going on with it?
Center support bearing, the mount on the body actually separated from the body, so the drive shaft is just sitting on the exhaust.
Nice.
So I ratchet strapped around the body, holding the drive
It's
shaft.
like a nice little retainer holding up the drive
Yeah,
shaft.
should be good.
Look, you look at catfish.
A little bit of catfish.
Feels like ever since we left this place.
gambler experience.
Woohoo!
What was your favorite part so far?
I like the views.
That's why we do it, the views. We saw some incredible stuff on this trip. We did real off-roading. The camera doesn't always do it justice, and we can't film everything we do because we're concentrating, but this was a full-on, over 100 miles, real off-roading in the Porsche. Couldn't be more proud of the Cayenne, and Layla for sticking with it. Huge shout out to Andrew for organizing everything, and all the dudes for making it a blast. Hope this inspires you guys to get out into the woods with your friends, no matter what you drive.